Alright, hello everybody. Thanks for, first I must say is thanks for all the kind comments and the encouragement, to keep on going, when you have some down days. So, got a little bit of time this afternoon before I'm going to go out, treat the missus to Wetherspoons. Curry Thursday, so it's all good. So, what I'm going to do is just forget the subframe for the moment. Let's concentrate on getting this front end done, because once I've got this front end done, I can drop the subframe out and then the car's ready to roll on its side. Carrying where I left off, welding the inner wings to the front panel, then we can clean up, try and spot weld along the gutters. If the spot welding don't go well, we're just going to have to drill and plug weld it, but hopefully the spot weld will be alright. Swap into white gloves, even though they're more papa, like that from Screwfix, the cheap ones. So it feel a bit strange, white gloves this time, but get used to it. Crack open a beer, take the edge of this bonnet lip off just so I can see the shape a bit more and check a few of the bonnet gaps, even though I know the bonnet's a bit crooked anyway, combusted. And then go for there, let's try and get this front end together a bit. Sorry about the light, a load of bulbs keep blowing, so I need to get a few more bulbs and find that spot lamp. Let's try and sort the lighting out better for next time. Alright, I think we've got the front end the best I'm going to get, alignment wise. Basically, just got a spot weld on that. So I just need to clean these gutters up, which I should have done before putting the wings on. Remember that next time if you're going to do that. But I'll just have to run along with the soft pad and try and get some on there. Let's get some spot welds on this and try and button it up a bit more. It's very hot in a cold garage. One, the spot weld is very heavy. Two, it works really nicely on nice clean metal. When you try and clean the underside of this up that you can't see, it's a bit trickier. So sometimes it works really well, other times it doesn't catch and it just gets very heavy on you. Getting there slowly though. Got all the spot welds done that I can do down the gutters. So got a MIG weld down the front, inner wings to the front panel where I can't get to the spot welder. I think it'd be nicer with a MIG welder there anyway, needs a bit of strength. And then getting there I think slowly. Well, nearly got there with the front there. I don't know what the front end's painted off, but it's not nice when it burns. So hoping it's not too toxic, be alright, survive. So let's see what the time is. Okay, just a text from Nathan, working on his Mini. So yeah, So maybe I'll just try and get some spot welds along the scuttle there and see if I can get that done. Alright, 3 degrees in the garage and I'm sweating like a fucking pig. Anyway, after a bit of cleaning up, spot welds all there done. What are they called? Door pillars, window pillars, A-pillars. Welded up, so I just need to grind them down now. See how smooth the job I've done. So I've just got the A-panels to fit now. And just get under the wing and just do a little bit of welding just down the front here. And see how that goes on, see how we get the A-panels on and see if the door's still open. If the door's still open and everything, and car looks all square, we get it emptied out, doors off, bonnet off, front subframe off, and then we're going to somehow, in this small garage, get it rolled onto its side. I've got a couple of old mattresses, and I'll roll it onto its side I think, so I can finish off some holes in the underside, and finish off the heel board. Then I can flappy disc it all off, get all the rough stuff off, get a bit of extra primer on some stuff, seal it, and then we can stone chip the underside and inside of the wings and everything. Before hopefully the subframes are built and then it can go roll back onto its wheels. But that's still a way off yet. Hopefully going to do an engine update this weekend. Going to go see the engine, see how my dad's getting on with that. So that'll be good. He's cracking on with that quite well now. So yeah, I think he's just putting the head on. The last time he was lapping the valves in, the last time I spoke to him, so I think he might be trying to get it ready for running at the weekend, but I told him not to rush. Alright, that'll do for tonight. As I said, off to Wetherspoons. See you there.